You guys are doing very well in this English grammar course. Today we are going to explore the fascinating world of verbs. Verbs are action heroes of sentences, telling us what the subject is doing or being. Let's dive in and learn more about them. Definition of verbs. A verb is a word that expresses an action, occurrence, or state of being. Without verbs, sentences would be lifeless and incomplete. We can assume jump, run, have, walk, and writing as examples of verbs. Types of verbs. Number 1, action verbs. These verbs express physical or mental actions like she ran to catch the bus. He thinks deeply about the problem. Number 2, linking verbs. These verbs connect the subject of a sentence to a noun or adjective that describes or renames the subject, like she is a doctor. The flowers smell beautiful. Number 3, helping verbs or auxiliary verbs. These verbs are used alongside main verbs to express shades of time, possibly necessity and more, like she is sleeping. They have finished their homework. Number 4, modal verbs. These verbs express ability, possibility, permission, or obligation. They are used before the verbs, like you should listen to your parents. He can speak 3 languages. Verbs are the backbone of sentences, giving life and meaning to our words. By understanding different types of verbs and how they function, we can become more effective communicators. So let's go out there and use verbs to paint vivid pictures with our words. That is it for today. If you have any questions, please ask me in the comment section. Thank you so much and goodbye.